sort of pioneers in this type of product, and the tourism industry in Swaziland at that time was almost non-existent. Since the opening up of apartheid and Mozambique coming back together quite well, we have managed to be part of the team that brings more and more tourists to this part of the world. We have become one of the major tourist attractions in Swaziland. We now employ 72 people, and those 72 people on average support between 8 and 10 people each. So we make a really, really big impact on the employment of people and the welfare of people in Swaziland. All our glass is 100% recycled. We don't have no additives or anything added to the glass to make it softer or easier to work. We're producing between 1,200 and 1,600 different items per day. We are melting 1 ton of glass per day, which works out about 22 to 23 tons per month. We're using 750 liters per day of old cooking oil to melt the glass. We use around 2 tons of newspaper per month for our packaging.
In one way or another, it's just a way of expressing yourself, especially when you have to make something from your head or a special piece that you have just thought of making. I mean, looking back 30 years ago, this place wasn't big as it is now. So already it has shown over the years the element of growing. And I think it will continue with the next generation of guys coming up. So I think it's got a great future. And socially, I mean, there are about 70 people working here. They get their lives from here. And most of them are from the area around here. So it's quite a privilege for them to work here, where you come to work using a bicycle or a cheap transport to come here, unlike when you have to go far away to stay. So they stay with their families and are able to come here and work.